For years, diesel trucks have been marketed as the ultimate long-haul machines, built to tow heavy loads, rack up hundreds of thousands of miles, and outlast almost anything else on the road. Yet behind the advertisements and impressive torque figures lies a different story. Over the last decade, major diesel manufacturers have faced billions of dollars in fines, settlements, and regulatory actions related to emission systems and engine technology. Those cases changed the industry, but they did not instantly eliminate every reliability concern. If you're shopping for a heavy-duty diesel truck in 2026, reliability should matter just as much as horsepower or towing capacity. Repair bills can easily reach 5 figures when critical fuel system or emissions components fail. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each platform can save thousands of dollars over the life of the truck. This overview combines commonly reported reliability trends, recall information, technician experiences, and owner feedback to explain why some diesel engines have earned stronger reputations than others. Why modern diesel trucks are more complicated than ever. Today's diesel pickups produce incredible power while meeting increasingly strict emissions regulations. Modern engines rely on advanced high-pressure fuel injection, turbochargers, exhaust gas recirculation (EGR), diesel particulate filters (DPF), selective catalytic reduction (SCR), and diesel exhaust fluid (DEF. These technologies dramatically reduce emissions, but they also add complexity. When one component fails, repairs often extend far beyond replacing a single part. For buyers planning to keep a truck for 200,000 to 300,000 miles, understanding long-term reliability has become just as important as comparing horsepower numbers. Engine number 1. Ford 6.7L Powerstroke. Ford's 6.7-liter Powerstroke remains one of the strongest performers in the heavy-duty diesel market. It delivers impressive towing capability, excellent torque, and refined drivability. However, one topic frequently discussed among diesel technicians and owners involves the Bosch CP4 high-pressure fuel pump used on many model years. Unlike the older CP3 pump, the CP4 features a different internal design that depends heavily on fuel lubrication. If the pump experiences internal wear, metal particles can circulate throughout the fuel system. When contamination occurs, repairs may involve replacing high-pressure fuel pump, fuel injectors, fuel rails, high-pressure lines, fuel tank cleaning, additional fuel system components. Because contamination spreads through the system, repair costs can become extremely expensive. Many owners report trouble-free operation throughout the life of their trucks, while others have experienced failures at relatively low mileage. This inconsistency has made the CP4 one of the most debated components in modern diesel pickups. Ford has updated various portions of the Powerstroke over the years, including turbocharger improvements and emissions refinements. But discussions surrounding the CP4 continue among mechanics and enthusiasts. Engine number 2. GM 6.6L Duramax L5P. The Duramax L5P has earned praise for smooth power delivery, impressive towing performance, and excellent refinement. Most owners enjoy years of dependable service. However, some newer trucks have generated discussion regarding isolated internal engine failures involving crankshaft thrust bearing wear. The thrust bearing controls crankshaft movement inside the engine. Excessive wear can eventually affect timing accuracy and internal clearances. Although these failures appear limited compared to total production numbers, internal engine repairs are among the most expensive diesel repairs possible because they often require major engine disassembly or complete replacement. Routine maintenance remains critical, especially correct engine oil, proper oil change intervals, high-quality filters, immediate attention to unusual engine noise. For many buyers, the Duramax continues to be a solid choice, but some shoppers remain cautious until additional long-term reliability data becomes available for the newest model years. Engine number 3. Ram 6.7L Cummins. The Cummins name has built an outstanding reputation over decades of commercial and industrial service. Unlike some competitors, the engine itself is rarely criticized for internal durability. Instead, most owner complaints involve emissions-related equipment, rather than the engine block or rotating assembly. Common discussion points include EGR cooler leaks, DEF injector issues, SCR sensor failures, DPF regeneration problems, These components can trigger warning lights or reduced power operation designed to meet federal emissions requirements. Fortunately, many emissions components can be serviced independently without requiring extensive engine teardown. That distinction matters because replacing an emissions component is generally far less expensive than rebuilding an engine. Why many diesel mechanics still recommend the Cummins. One reason experienced diesel technicians continue recommending the 6.7-liter Cummins is its long production history. Introduced for Ram pickups in 2007, millions of these engines have accumulated enormous mileage in both commercial fleets and privately owned trucks. The platform benefits from years of engineering refinement. Another advantage often mentioned is the Bosch CP3 high-pressure fuel pump found on many earlier Cummins applications. The CP3 has earned an excellent reputation for durability and is widely regarded as more tolerant of varying fuel conditions than the CP4. Although no fuel system is immune to failure, catastrophic contamination events appear considerably less common with the CP3 design. The transmission matters just as much. Choosing the right transmission can be as important as choosing the engine. Among Ram heavy-duty trucks, many experienced owners specifically seek the Aisin AS69RC automatic transmission. Designed for commercial duty applications, the Aisin transmission has developed a reputation for strong towing capability, excellent heat management, long service life. Heavy-duty internal components. Earlier Ram trucks equipped with the 68 RFE transmission have generated more owner complaints involving torque converters, valve bodies, and heavy towing durability. That doesn't mean every 68 RFE will fail. However, buyers intending to tow frequently often prioritize trucks equipped with the Aisin transmission. Best model years to consider. Many diesel enthusiasts recommend looking at well-maintained Ram 2500 or 3500 models built between 2019 and 2023. These trucks benefit from proven 6.7L Cummins platform, mature emissions calibration, available Aisin transmission, extensive real-world ownership history. By contrast, the newest diesel systems introduced for later model years simply haven't accumulated enough long-term mileage to fully evaluate durability. Buying the first year of any redesigned engine always carries some uncertainty. Buying a used diesel the smart way, regardless of brand. Never purchase a diesel truck without a thorough inspection. Experienced buyers should verify complete maintenance records, fuel filter replacement history, transmission service records, cooling system condition, turbocharger performance, DEF system operation, recall completion history, frame condition, accident history, suspension wear. A professional diesel pre-purchase inspection typically costs only a few $100s, but can uncover thousands of dollars in hidden repairs before money changes hands. Avoid heavily modified trucks. Many used diesel trucks have aftermarket modifications. Lift kits and emissions deletes may seem attractive. They introduce additional risks. Oversized tires increase drivetrain stress. Lift kits alter steering geometry. Aggressive engine tuning raises cylinder pressure and exhaust temperatures. Removing emissions equipment is illegal in many jurisdictions and may prevent registration or inspections, depending on local regulations. Factory-maintained trucks with documented service histories generally present the lowest ownership risk. Final thoughts. Every modern diesel truck has strengths and weaknesses. The Ford Powerstroke remains exceptionally powerful, but continues to generate discussion surrounding CP4 fuel pump reliability. The GM Duramax delivers excellent performance, although buyers should remain informed about reported internal engine issues affecting certain trucks. The Ram 6.7-liter Cummins continues to stand out because of its long production history, durable engine architecture, and proven reputation when properly maintained. For buyers focused primarily on long-term reliability, rather than owning the newest redesign, a well-maintained 2019 to 2023 Ram 2500 or 3500, equipped with the 6.7-liter Cummins and Aisin automatic transmission, remains one of the strongest heavy-duty diesel combinations available entering 2026. No diesel truck is completely immune to repairs, but careful research, maintenance records, professional inspections, and avoiding heavily modified examples can dramatically improve the odds of owning a truck capable of delivering hundreds of thousands of dependable miles.